Hello guys, I found a new event in a new server in new country. In that you'll get a permanent AWM skin, that is Neon Punk. I think the name is Neon Punk, guys. I'll show you the event also, guys. Look at it once, guys. When you go in events, you need to go to the recommended. After that, you need to go to the bottom. You'll find summer rich cyber discount. You need to click this, guys. In this, carefully select only one thing, guys. That is Neon Punk's the dress. You want the dresses or you want the AWM skin? I want this AWM skin. This skin is OP. So you will get only one of these one, guys. So carefully select one thing and click OK. After that, this AWM skin costs 1200, guys. You can see it here. It 1200 UC. Like it costs 1200 UC. So daily when you complete, like daily when you charge it, some amount of UC will be reduced from the 1200 UC, and you will get rewards also for that. So there are some easy missions you can complete daily. See, charge again, you can charge it again minus 26. So you can complete daily these missions, as well as these missions are very easy. Whenever you fill this bar, like now the bar is 43 by 1200, right guys? Whenever you fill this bar by 1200 to 1200 by 1200, you'll get the AWM Neon Punk AWM permanent, guys. Neon AWM permanent. The skin is OP, guys. But how you will think that we don't have this event? How we'll get this event? Yes, I am coming to that point only, guys. If you want this event, you need to connect to a VPN with a server Singapore, guys. And in the settings, you need to go to the bottom and you need to change the country, guys. Note that do not change your server. If you change your server, you can't play PUBG because the other servers have hyping. So change only the country over here. See the marking. Change the country to the Singapore. After country change to the Singapore, you will go to the login page. You log in again, re-log in again. After that, if you go into the events, guys, you will find this events, Tech City event. Also in this, you will get a permanent headgear, guys. This is the permanent headgear you are going to get, guys. Okay, it looks like this, guys, in the picture. That is a permanent headgear you are getting. And the Neon Punk, when you go to the recommendations, guys, scroll to the bottom, you'll have this event, summer rich cyber discount. Don't worry about this, don't worry about the country, guys, because in the Indian country or in the Singapore country, the events are same, except like you will get extra events in the Singapore. So immediately change the country to Singapore and complete the missions daily to get Neon Punk Neon AWM skin, guys, and enjoy the skin, guys. If you think this video is helpful, please do like, and don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel, guys. So many members are watching the video and they aren't subscribing to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, guys. I will upload this type of content videos which are useful to you guys. So subscribe the channel, guys. Don't worry if we don't think like you Future Leap or future technology is not available in Singapore. It is also available in Singapore. And don't worry about your progress in the events, guys. The progress will be the same which you have completed in the another country also. So don't worry about the changing of country. You can, it is purely safe, guys. You can change it. Mostly I think this event is available only for PUBG users, guys. BGMI, I think BGMI users can't change their country. So this is available especially for iOS users as well as global users, guys. So guys, definitely use this change the country and get the AWM skin, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If this video is helpful, please do share with your friends as well as subscribe to the channel. Meet you in the next video. Signing off, Rockstar. Bye bye, guys.